centralization, decentralization, protocols, authority. Oh my God. These are so complicated words. In this video, I will show you one example in two different worlds. One in a centralized world and one in a decentralized world. And then at the end of it, I'll ask you, which world would you choose to live in? Let's get started then. Also, somewhere in this video, I will reveal about $100 worth ETH giveaway. Somewhere in this video. Go find out. Alright, so imagine a world in which there's only one company. There's only one company, one organization, one corporation that has built a communication device. Mobile phone. So here's how this mobile phone works. Suppose you want to talk to somebody in a different city. So how does this mobile phone works? Whenever you want to make a phone call, this device shows two numbers, T, and asks for a third number. Only when entering the third number correctly, the call goes through, you communicate whatever you want to talk, and then you hang up. This is how it works. So how do you get this third number that you have to enter to make the phone call? This third number is given by the founder of this company himself, who have made the company, have made billions of dollars, and now have become a monk. Somewhere in the foothills of the Himalayas, this founder, who is now a monk, lives. And this is how you have to get the third number. You walk, you climb to the foothills of the Himalayas where this monk lives. You spend months and days. You finally go to this monk and you say, Monk, I want to make a phone call. Please give me the third number. What are the first two numbers? The first number is 3, monk. And the second number? Second number is 7, monk. What is the purpose of this phone call? You get a little embarrassed because this is the phone call that you want to make to express your love to your lover. Oh my God. So you gather up the courage and you say, I want to make this phone call to express my love to this girl that I love.
Love. Love is good. Love is good in world. I give you the third number. The third number is 21. Go, my son. Go spread some love in the world.
Thank you, monk. Thank you so much, monk. You take this number, the third number which was given by monk. You enter 21 into the device and your call goes through. You express your love. And luckily, this girl also accepts, reciprocates your love, and you both are living happily ever after. Now again, every time you have to make a phone call, every time somebody has to make a phone call, they have to visit this monk with a request to get the third number. And it is on the monk whether he gives you this third number or not. So there are situations where people have said, hey, I want to just wish all the best to my best friend for his exams.
So you want to waste so much time just to express best of love? I don't think it's worth your time, son. Go back to your life.
But monk, there are some people who say, monk, I'm just getting bored, so I want to talk to my mom.
Bored? I am monk, I have wisdom. Son, you should not get bored at the first place. Go back to your life. I will not grant you the third number. Go back.
You are surprised. And there are situations when some people go and ask, monk, please give me third number.
What is the purpose of this phone call?
I just want to send this very critical piece of information to my professor.
I am monk. I have wisdom. I don't like your face. Go away. Go away.
And people just go away. What is this? Every single time, no matter what you want to do, it's your information. You want to give it to somebody, which is your somebody, but every single time you have to enter answer to the puzzle, and the answer to this puzzle is always given by this authority figure, is always given by this wise man, is always given by this monk who claims that only he knows the answer.
Hey, sorry for the interruption. This is the $100 ETH giveaway announcement. So what's the deal? You bring more friends of yours to watch this video and the ETH is yours. How does it work? Step number 1, go to the very first link in the description of this video. On that link, you'll be able to create a unique link of yours. Take this link, share it with your friends on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Twitter. If somebody clicks on this link and watches at least 1/3 of the video, you get 1 point. At the end of 2-week period, the top 3 people with the maximum point gets $100 worth of ETH divided among them in the same proportion of their points. That's the deal. Okay, and now continuing with the video.
This is one world. Let's keep it here and let me show you the other world. In this world, there is one company again who provides communication services to people, and again, the communication services are provided through a device. The device, you ask, again shows you 2 numbers and you have to enter the third number. Only when entering the third number correctly, you can make the call. In this world, there's a punk. So this punk who is kind of a nerdy person sitting in a basement, just playing with some code, some numbers. So this punk says, so this third number is just the multiplication of first two numbers. Yes. What? There's no monk wisdom behind it? The third number is just the multiplication of first two numbers? Okay, let me give it a shot. Okay, so I want to wish best of luck to my best friend. Let me do it. Take up my phone and true number appears. First number is 5, second number is 6. So if the solution is only multiplication, let me enter 30. 30. My call is going through. Hello, best friend. All the very best. Yes, best of luck. No monk required. This is world 2. In this world, there is no single person who could discriminate based upon how do you look, based upon your physical attributes. Even if I have an ugly face, I still can make phone calls. So what is the difference between these two worlds? In world 1, there's this authority figure. And this authority figure says, I know the magical wisdom of the centuries. I have the wisdom. I have the power. Only and only I can tell you how you can go through, how you can make the call through, how you can talk to the people that you love. So you have to always come to me to communicate to them. And in the second world, this punk has revealed the secret. The secret is there is no special wisdom. There is no magical wisdom. When you multiply these two numbers, you get the third number. And everybody is able to make phone calls like that. Nobody has to travel to the foothills of Himalaya and then beg to this monk to talk to their loved ones. All they have to do is learn a little bit of elementary mathematics. So this world 1 is currently the world that we are living in. This is the centralized world. If I have to send $5 from my account to somebody in a different country, I cannot do it on my own. And I have to go to my bank and beg them and tell them, prove them that I own this money. Tell them that this is the purpose of this money. I have to do everything. And it is at their whims whether they approve or deny my request. And the second world is the decentralized world. In this world, the magic has been revealed. The magic that there is no special magic, only a little bit of mathematics has been revealed. So everybody can do whatever they want to do with whatever they own, and they can send $5, $10, $500 to whoever they want to send it to. So these are the two worlds. In world 1, you have to beg to somebody. In world 2, you do not. If you had to design the universe, which world would you create? World 1 with the monk or world 2 with the punk? Let me know in the comments. Team Monk,
I am monk.
or Team Punk. I am Punk. If you like this video, please also like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. I explain complex stuff in simple words. Love you.
I am.
First number is 3 monk and the third